Have you ever looked at the ocean and wondered, what if I could just dive in, no gear, no limits, and breathe underwater like a fish? Sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you science is closer than you think? From gene editing to artificial gills, let's explore what would happen if humans really could breathe underwater. Today on Innerlight, we'll dive into a world where humans can breathe underwater. Not fantasy, and we're talking real science, current tech, and what this means for the future of humanity. We'll look at how it could happen, who's already working on it, and how life on Earth could change forever. Let's get our fins ready and go deep. 1. Why humans can't breathe underwater. Yet humans breathe air. It's that simple. Our lungs are designed to absorb oxygen from gas, not liquid. Fish, on the other hand, use gills to extract oxygen that's dissolved in water. Their bodies filter water continuously, separating oxygen at the molecular level. We can't do that. Our lungs would flood, causing us to drown. But there are some clues in our own biology that might suggest evolution could help. Ever heard of the pharyngeal arches in a human embryo? They're gill-like structures from our aquatic ancestors. We lose them before birth, but what if we didn't? That's the first hint that underwater breathing might not be pure science fiction. 2. The science of gills. Let's take a look at how gills really work. Fish take in water through their mouths and it flows over gill membranes. Tiny blood vessels absorb dissolved oxygen and expel carbon dioxide. The efficiency of gills is impressive. They work even in low oxygen environments. If humans had similar structures, we'd need massive gill surface area, possibly around our ribs or neck. But it wouldn't be pretty. Plus, water is 800 times denser than air. We'd need to work harder just to move it through our body. So, what if instead of evolving gills, we built them? 3. Artificial gills. The Triton device. In 2016, a concept device called the Triton artificial gill made headlines. The idea? A mouthpiece that pulls oxygen from water using microscopic filters and lithium batteries. It looked futuristic. It felt futuristic. But the science behind it was shaky. Water contains far less oxygen than air, about 1/30. To extract enough oxygen, you'd need to filter gallons of water every minute. That takes serious power. Still, the attempt sparked innovation. Could we develop wearable gills in the future? With nanotechnology and stronger materials, it's not out of the question. Liquid breathing, yes, it's real. What if we didn't need air at all? Scientists have developed oxygenated perfluorocarbon liquids. You can actually breathe them. That's right. Fill your lungs with liquid and keep living. Liquid breathing is already used for premature babies with underdeveloped lungs. NASA has tested it for high-G pilots and deep-sea divers. The catch? It's hard to exhale carbon dioxide in liquid. You'd need machines to help. But the proof is there. Breathing without air is possible. We're just not ready to do it casually. Yet. 5. What evolution might do over millions of years, species adapt to survive. Could future humans evolve to live in water again? The Bahau people, sea nomads in Southeast Asia, already show genetic adaptations for diving. They have larger spleens, which help store oxygen. This is a natural evolution in action. With time and pressure, maybe gills aren't so far-fetched. Or maybe gene editing like CRISPR will take over. Could we program a generation of aquatically enhanced humans? It's a question of ethics in science fiction turning real. 6. How society would change. Let's imagine a world where underwater breathing is normal. We'd build cities on the ocean floor, protected by pressure domes or coral architecture. Shipping would become obsolete. We'd just swim. Commuting? Just dive into the sea and glide to work. It would also ease overpopulation on land. 70% of the Earth's surface is water. Suddenly that becomes habitable. We could even move climate refugees underwater. But wait, that brings a new problem. 7. Pollution and the ocean crisis. The oceans are polluted with microplastics, oil, heavy metals, and chemical waste. If we breathed underwater, we'd also inhale these toxins. Imagine every breath containing plastic particles. We'd need to clean our oceans first, urgently. Ironically, if underwater breathing became possible, it might force us to treat the oceans better, the same way cities became cleaner when air pollution got personal. We might finally start healing the blue parts of our planet. 8. New industries and careers. New abilities bring new opportunities. We'd have underwater architects, kelp farmers, reef engineers. Sporting events might take place underwater. Tourism. Imagine deep-sea hotels where guests can swim without gear. Medical divers, underwater firefighters, even sea shepherds protecting. Ocean life. A new economy would emerge, completely submerged. We'd learn to live in harmony with marine ecosystems, but not without training. 9. Physical challenges and training. The ocean isn't just about breathing. It's cold, high pressure, and unpredictable. Our bodies would need to adapt beyond lungs. We'd need better cold resistance, stronger muscles, and pressure-resistant cells. Training might start from childhood, like swimming lessons today. We might develop new school systems that mix ocean survival and science. Just like astronauts train for space, humans might train for the sea. 10. Could this happen in our lifetime? Let's be honest. Breathing underwater unaided won't happen tomorrow. But with tech like liquid oxygen, gene editing, and wearable gills, it could be decades, not centuries. Breakthroughs are happening every year. The first water-breathing humans, they may already be born, and they'll explore a world we've barely seen. So, what if humans could breathe underwater? Science says it's not impossible. Tech is advancing, nature is adapting, and maybe one day, we'll return to the sea where life began. Let us know in the comments, would you live underwater? Like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Because here at Inner Light, we bring the impossible one step closer to reality.